Hey guys, it's your girl Melissa.
Carolyn.
And
featuring
Cassandra. You guys can call me Cassie.
Cassandra, it's not
I mean, hi, this is Cassandra. Hi, how are you?
hey guys, it's your girl Melissa.
Carolyn.
And today for this video we got a special guest.
Cassandra. I'm the special guest.
But yeah, basically for today's video, as you guys could see, we're doing the
How can they see Melissa?
Pass us this drink.
we're trying
What is that, Melissa, you have there?
Cassandra.
Da, 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 da.
So basically what we're doing is we're gonna be trying different snacks from Indonesia. Indonesia?
Oh.
Indonesia.
Have
So,
you
yeah.
about this?
I wish I had a map right now so I can show you where it's at.
Okay, so basically, I've done this before in a different channel or whatever. But basically, this is, they send you snacks from different places around the world. And then,
Oh god, I already see some stuff I don't like.
as you can
If
see,
it's
like
something with
this
Russian,
is,
I ain't eating it.
I already did Russia on another channel.
Ew.
So,
No offense.
look, so these are different type of snacks. They send you like a little postcard thingy telling you like all about Indonesia, and they give you like a recipe, and they tell you some facts about Indonesia, and then they tell you everything that's gonna be on the box and every ingredient, just in case you know somebody's allergic to peanuts and they don't die. But yeah, so let's get straight into
Wait, let pass me the other card. I mean, you guys need to know fun facts.
Did you know Indonesia is the only place?
the facts.
We'll let them know at least one fact.
Exactly.
Indonesia is the only place in the world to see Komodo dragons in the wild.
Fun fact.
That's crazy. Komodo dragons, y'all. They
Fun fact.
dangerous.
Oh, okay.
The whole
Oh, okay.
thing.
One more, just for you to know. You'll say, oh, okay. Java is the world's most populous island with a 2014 population around 139 million people.
Beautiful.
All my Indonesian people out there, we got you.
I really thought
I'm
about
so
All right. Ready to start?
Anyways, now let's get straight into this video.
Back.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try these cheese crackers.
Read the thingy.
Bro,
I'll read it, give me.
No, we don't read this.
No, give me because I want to know what we're eating.
cheese crackers.
Okay,
Sweet
but
and
give it to
savory, bro.
Let me make sure it's not allergic, bro. How do you know if it has peanuts or not? Doesn't really say.
It's cheese crackers, Karen.
No, I'm saying for the best.
You look in the freaking ingredients on the bag, bro.
Well, so yeah, we're eating cheese crackers.
Okay, well this is how they look. So we're gonna try this out. Most of the time
You still gotta bring something to drink. Do you have to swallow this out?
I got water.
Well, I got some leftover Coke in there.
I'm good.
Okay, how are we sharing this? What's Cassandra eating? Okay, hold my cracker.
I can't open this too. I'm not hungry.
Okay. You need to try it though. You can't just eat like a little bit. We're supposed to all try it at the same time.
Huh?
We're gonna all try it at the same time.
Alright.
Whatever. Well, Melissa, what do you think so far? Does she clearly tried it without us?
Okay, never mind.
Taste what?
It's sweet and
This is the
cheesy.
first time I've had Indonesia food to begin with.
It's not bad.
Here we go, y'all.
It's not bad.
You know?
Smells like Cheez-Its. Alright.
This can get somewhere. Yep, in my tummy. Good stuff.
This
You
is
good?
garbage.
It has wheat.
What's wrong with wheat?
Oh, she
can't
can't
have
have wheat.
Why? What's wrong with wheat?
It gives me headaches, like
Oh.
strong headaches.
Oh, okay.
Okay, stop eating it.
So she
Sorry,
can try
dude.
this one, but it actually tastes good.
It's sweet. I don't want no more.
It tastes good, but it's not something I would eat like every day. Yeah, I'm kind of the one.
Okay, that away. We're gonna try the next one.
I thought those were cards.
Sina ginger candy.
You know, we're good.
I'm sick right now.
Okay, there you go.
You're sick?
Yeah.
Get away from me, bro.
She's not next to you. I'm next to you. Her.
What I have to go through?
That's typical Melissa. Again.
Oh, they're individually wrapped.
Oh, okay. It might be strong because ginger's a strong candy, so
If you guys...
it's not Ting Ting Day. That's what it says there.
Sina ginger.
You can't quite open this, so where the scissors? Oh, never mind. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, it's soft.
I need scissors.
No, it's right next to you, Ernesta, no? Okay.
Good.
Trying to open this stuff.
Oh, I thought you already ate it. Alright.
No, bro, I can't open
I'm gonna
this.
taste it.
Why does it have white stuff?
I don't know.
What's that white
It
stuff?
has some white consistency in
Ooh.
it.
I can't open
Strong.
this, bro. I have like a...
Alright. What is this?
Oh god.
What is this? Why is it so gooey?
No.
Okay. Alright, y'all. We gonna need some ginger something. Wait. Ugh.
This is
You
like
know what?
spicy, bro. Watch out.
Oh Lord Jesus.
It is not for me. It is too strong.
It was. It helped my tongue.
You are still eating it?
It's strong, it's spicy. I can't really.
Hey, are you sure it's ginger?
Yes, bro.
It could be like paprika or something.
That's my soda. I know, it went up my throat.
Oh, I see them. Okay. So for the next one,
Not sponsored, but Flanagan's.
on to the next. Oh my god, if you guys want to see us like do videos, going out to eat and trying new stuff, reviewing foods, let us know because we'll do that. But anyways, next is we're going to do these taro net something seaweed. Oh, it doesn't smell that bad.
Let me smell.
They're small.
Actually, it doesn't smell that bad.
These are good.
I can smell it and be the judge of it.
I can
Smells
taste
good.
the seaweed though.
I don't taste it. I like them.
I don't know how I feel about it.
I think I'm going to eat them.
Yo, I'm looking forward to that rich chocolate cookie.
I mean, it's good, but I can taste the seaweed.
Okay. Next is this rich chocolate cookie thins. Contains wheat.
It is actually
Y'all
good.
put wheat on everything. Your homegirl can't taste anything.
For good.
You almost forgot my name.
Girl, don't.
I did it.
It tastes good. I think I'm going to eat them.
It's weird because one tasted really like seaweed. They're good, but there's like some that taste like extreme seaweed. I don't know how I feel about it.
You still want to try, Cassandra? Burger?
What's the worst that can happen?
Die. I can die.
Okay. Ready?
Wait. Seaweed.
It's chocolate. I like it.
I love how you waited for us.
Oh no. It has a nasty aftertaste.
Yeah, I wasn't. No. I don't feel about it.
Not I. Okay,
I'm so
next.
sorry.
Don't steal all my Coke. Is it bad?
What was it?
Honestly, bro.
You want to skip this one?
We don't have to read it.
What's so bad about it?
I don't like it, the aftertaste.
Yeah, the appetite is weird.
It tastes good with me. I like them. I don't know what this is talking about.
Okay.
I wish this one was German.
Next we're gonna do this classic iced tea candy. Let's see how this is.
Alright.
Wait.
Let's go. Iced tea candy.
Oh, I smell it. It stinks.
Oh my god.
No, it doesn't. It tastes like ice.
Summer day in Miami.
It's real hot. We're from Miami, by the way.
Yeah.
Just in case you guys are from like
305, gotta represent to the
from
daylight.
another state or something. We're from. Pass me the scissors.
We're from the scissors? What?
No, I said pass me the scissors.
Tastes like pure tea.
I love tea, so
I
it should
hate
be good
tea.
for me. It should be fabulous.
These things don't want to come out.
How is it exciting?
Oh, tastes like tea.
I told you, pure tea. It's not that bad.
Ugh.
I can't eat it.
It's not bad. It's pretty good.
I like it. I like tea.
I like tea. It's good.
Okay. Okay, the next one we're doing is this chocolate wafer bite. Okay.
YOLO.
Tastes good.
I still got tea, right?
Something that I do like. Alright. I stamp of approval.
You want more?
They're pretty good.
There's something to put like on a chocolate milk or something.
We're gonna try this chocolate.
There's more chocolatey stuff than salty stuff. Like
Yeah.
everything mostly are sweet.
Does it have wheat?
Give me the paper thingy. Give me the paper thingy.
Wheat, yeah.
I'm good. What's this cow one? Milkshake candy. Ooh.
Actually good.
We should taste some milkshake candy.
This is good.
Brings all the Indonesian boys to the
You know what? I
yard.
can eat this with milk. I love milk. And this and milk match together.
You already know.
This one is good.
I'm gonna eat it. I'm putting a corner.
This has wheat too.
Because
The
it
next-
has a bit of
You
a taste
The
of
guys-
it.
berry duo.
It's alright. I don't really like it. Not very good.
Okay, the last one. It could cause choking, so watch out.
Oh my god, Melissa.
It says it. It's a warning. It could cause choking, so beware.
Oh no. Does half contain wheat?
It
No.
contains tree nuts.
Oh, okay.
Wait, you're not allergic to tree nuts? Because I don't want you dying.
No, she's
No,
allergic
no.
to nuts. Not
I've
tree
eaten
nuts.
tree nuts before.
Okay.
I have so much taste in my mouth that I'm so confused.
It's chewing. You know what it tastes like?
What? Mmm.
It really does smell like milkshake.
Tootsie.
Yeah, that. The Tootsie Rolls.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it tastes like.
I don't like Tootsies.
Not for us. None of us like Tootsie, so
Well, Tootsie's not bad, but...
I hate Tootsie. I can't. That's the worst candy I feel.
Ugh.
Oh my god, y'all should drink a gallon of water a day.
We're gonna try to do that challenge, me and Cassandra.
Because I've been
But we
doing
haven't started
Bro,
yet.
I'm gonna start peeing so much.
Because
It
she
is
pees like 10 times a day. But you know. Okay.
Did somebody fart?
No, that was my phone. I did this.
I don't hear it.
Look.
Anyways.
So that was basically... Excuse me. That was... that was basically the end of this video. If you guys liked us doing the reaction to these type of candies and not candy snacks or whatever, and you want to see us doing more, let us know down below. Make sure you give that video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button on our channel.
Somewhere here.
Make sure you spread the word about our channel
We finished?
and let us
She can't be doing that when she's doing the outro. Oh my gosh.
And then let us know what other type of videos you guys want us to see us do. We'll have all our social medias down below, and we'll put Cassandra's too. So follow us, you know, do whatever you
Yola
want
Miss
to do with
London.
it. But yeah, we'll see y'all in our next video. Peace.